is your name?
Lee.
Lee Smith?
Yes.
What time of year is it?
2.
Oh, don't sit on it. It's going to squish it. Okay, sit on your bottom on the floor. There you go. Hey, Bubba.
Yeah.
Okay, Lee.
Yes.
What is it about to be?
Christmas.
Christmas?
Yeah.
What? Who's going to come to our house on Christmas?
Santa.
Santa Claus? How's he going to get here?
This is day.
With his sleigh? And who's going to come with him?
Rudolph.
Rudolph is?
Yeah.
All right. And what does Christmas celebrate?
Jesus.
Jesus' birthday?
Yeah.
When he was born?
Yeah.
Okay. And what do you think Santa Claus might bring you this year?
A special pie.
A special prize?
Yeah.
What kind though? What all did you ask for?
I don't check my yes.
Oh no, don't check your list. Let's just remember. Let's just talk about it. Think he might bring Brent a train?
No.
Lee,
No.
Hey Lee, did you ask for some new socks? No?
No.
Did you ask for some new undies? No. Did you ask for some switches? No. Did you ask for a Batman cave?
Yes.
Yeah, that'd be fun. What about, did you ask for a Georgia football helmet?
Yes.
All right.
A football helmet. And no.
What do you
No,
think?
Brant.
What do you think Brant might get?
No, Brant.
Did Brant ask for some new socks? Brant, what do you want for Christmas?
You change his presents.
It's okay. Okay, now I have one more question. Can you sing me Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer?
Reindeer.
Sit back on your bottle so I can see you.
No.
I'll sing it with you. Lee, this is our interview.
No, I don't want to.
You're all done with the interview?
Yeah.
Here, okay. Let's see. Brant.
Yeah. A feather.
Let Brant. This is Brant's favorite thing. Brant, is that so fun?
That's mine.
I know, but you can share with him, right? Brant, is that so fun, Brant?
Up to Sylvie.
I know, it's a tall tree. It's our Christmas tree this year. Brant,
See. That was
Brant, here you go.
my feather. This is a feather.
Wait, how old are you going to be on your birthday? Huh? Brant, how old are you going to be? You going to be 1?
Watch this. Mom.
What? What? Whoa!
And it's trash. And yay! Watch this.
Whoa! Is that a piece of the Christmas tree?
Yes.